Let us pray. Excuse me. Check that cough for tuberculosis.
Check 'em all, make you dey sure.
The fan and the AC are on, but you woke up soaked in sweat, oh, soaked in sweat, oh.
Check 'em all, make you dey sure.
Oh boy, you are not on a diet, but you are losing weight fast, oh, losing weight fast, oh.
Check 'em all, make you dey sure.
Your cough has lasted longer than 2 weeks.
Check 'em all, make you dey sure.
If cough don't worry you pass 2 weeks, if it be tuberculosis, TB test and treatment na free. Just call the National TB Hotline for 3340 to get better information of where you fit do the test. This message na from the Federal Ministry of Health with support from American people dem.